Middleburg homeowners know the challenges of living in Florida's climate: hot, humid summers, frequent rain, and the occasional storm. While these conditions make the area lush and vibrant, they can also take a toll on your home's comfort and energy bills. One of the most effective ways to address these challenges is by upgrading to energy-efficient window replacements. Not only do these windows help keep your home cool and dry, but they also save money in the long run and improve your home's overall value. Why energy-efficient windows matter in Middleburg. Florida's subtropical climate makes windows more than just design features. They're essential for maintaining indoor comfort. High cooling costs. Outdated windows let heat pour in, making air conditioners work harder. Humidity and moisture. Poor seals allow damp air to seep inside, potentially leading to mold and damage. Storm season. Older windows may not provide adequate protection during strong winds or heavy rains. By investing in energy-efficient window replacements, Middleburg homeowners can solve these problems with a single upgrade. Double and triple pane glass. Switching from single pane to double or triple pane windows is one of the most effective upgrades. Insulating layers. Filled with argon or krypton gas, these windows reduce heat transfer. Year-round comfort. Keeps interiors cooler in summer and warmer during the occasional cold snap. Noise reduction. Multiple panes also block outside noise, adding peace to your home. For families in Middleburg, where both comfort and quiet are valuable, this option delivers immediate benefits. Low-E glass coating. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are a must-have in Florida. Reflects heat. Keeps hot rays outside while letting natural light in. Blocks UV rays. Protects furniture, flooring, and drapes from fading. Improves efficiency. Reduces reliance on air conditioning. This type of glass is especially useful in sunny areas like Middleburg, where homes are exposed to hours of direct sunlight. Frame materials. Designed for Florida's climate, the frame of your window plays a big role in performance. Vinyl frames. Affordable, energy efficient, and resistant to moisture. Fiberglass frames. Extremely durable, offering strong insulation and long lifespans. Composite frames. Eco-friendly and built from recycled materials, combining strength and efficiency. Wood with protective finishes. A timeless choice, though more maintenance is required in humid climates. Choosing the right frame material ensures your new windows are built to last in Middleburg's challenging environment. Impact-resistant windows. Energy-efficient upgrades in Florida often overlap with storm protection. Impact glass. Protects against flying debris during storms while also insulating against heat. Enhanced seals. Prevent water intrusion during heavy rain. Added value. Provides both peace of mind and long-term savings on insurance. This option gives Middleburg homeowners both efficiency and safety in one investment. Professional installation for best results. Even the most advanced window won't perform properly without expert installation. Precise fit. Ensures there are no gaps for air or moisture to slip through. Correct insulation. Maximizes energy savings and durability. Climate expertise. Local installers understand how to handle Florida's humidity and heat. Professional installation is essential to get the full benefits of your energy-efficient window investment. Final thoughts. For Middleburg homeowners, energy-efficient window replacements aren't just about saving on utility bills. They're about creating a home that's comfortable, durable, and ready for Florida's climate. Options like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, durable frames, and impact-resistant designs ensure your home stays cool, dry, and protected year-round. With professional installation, your windows will not only enhance your lifestyle but also boost your property's long-term value. If your windows are outdated or drafty, now is the perfect time to explore replacements that bring modern performance and energy savings to your Middleburg home.